Hey guys, hope you guys are doing really good. So I'm back with another recipe, and this recipe is the perfect festive recipe. So if you're looking to bake cookies which are super easy to make and they taste really good, they are healthy, they are gluten free, but these cookies will be like a crowd pleaser. Your kids will love this recipe. So I'm going to show you how to bake a thumbprint cookie which is made with hazelnuts. It has almond powder. So this recipe is little different, but I am 100% sure that you guys are going to love this recipe. And as Christmas is coming, you would definitely like to try this recipe for your family. So but before that, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram. We can conduct a lot of baking workshops, so you can even attend few of my workshops. So let's go bake a healthy cookie. So in a bowl, I have added some almond flour. You can even take hazelnuts and make it into a powdered form, but I preferred adding some almond flour. I took some oats flour, some baking soda, some raw cacao powder. You can take cocoa powder, unsweetened one. Added a little bit of honey, and then I added oil to it, and then a little bit of vanilla essence. So if you don't want to add oats flour, then you can add jawar flour, or either you don't even want to add any of these flours, you can make a hazelnut powder out of it. But I really love the texture and the consistency while adding oats flour. So mix everything really well till a nice dough is formed. So in case you find that your dough is a little bit sticky, what you could do is you could just add a little bit of flour to it, just a little much, not too much, and just roll it into till it becomes a really nice dough. So let me tell you one thing, this cookie will not be that sweet. You might find it a little bit bitter. So if you find it bitter, what you could do is just increase the sugar quantity, like the honey quantity. I've even tried it with date syrup and it tasted really good. So now I've divided the dough into equal parts. So I've just making like tiny balls, and I've rolled the dough with the chopped hazelnuts. Now either you can bake it this way, or else what I have done is I've used my thumb and then we've made a small impression. So a tiny hole is there. So in this hole, later on we're going to add some filling to it. So the same way you repeat the process. If you don't want to add any filling, or you can just dip it in Nutella or any other filling of your choice, but I like this thumbprint way. It really tasted amazing. So I've repeated this process, and you can get around 14 of these cookies in mini sizes. And now you can see we're just going to put it for baking. So I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. So I've got a new oven, and this is the first time I'm trying this Chroma oven, and I really like the outcome from this oven. So I've baked it at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, and you can see the cookies have come out perfect. Don't over bake them because they might just burn. So that just be a little bit careful. Now for the filling, once it's cooled down, I had a sugar-free hazelnut paste, but you can use any filling of your choice. You can add chocolate ganache, Nutella, anything. After adding the paste, the sweetness was balanced and this tasted really good. Trust me, it's going to get over in just few minutes. Your kids, family members, everyone are going to love this cookie. You can make the cookie as it is without the filling also, but I would just recommend to increase the honey or the date syrup quantity a little bit. Also, I hope you like the new setup of us shooting. So do mention in the comment section if you like the way we shot this YouTube recipe, and hope you try this recipe very soon.